Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the SPX or the S&P 500, starting on the monthly time frame, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I'm definitely looking at this as a 1, 2, 3 pattern. Most wave threes do go to the minimum of 161.8. They can definitely go way beyond that, but that usually is the minimum for a wave 3 before you start a wave 4 and potentially go back up for a wave 5. So keep that in mind. Let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is all subdivisions of a wave 3 from that point on. Higher highs, higher lows, no breaker structure, no lower highs. No reason to think the wave 3 is over yet. Going down to the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, we're definitely kind of consolidated up in this area right here. It could possibly be an area where we see a more significant pullback. Structure is actually still right here on a little bit of a shorter time frame, so the trend is definitely still up. And for me, the trend is always your friend, so I actually am still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think that we are very likely in a correction, which is a little easier to see on the 1 hour time frame. I think this is like a 1, 2, 3 right here, and this is like a wave 5. So this would be like a wave 3, this is a wave 4, and this is a wave 5. Probably actually like all part of a wave 3 on the higher time frames. So if that's the case, that means that this is like a wave A, wave B, probably is likely to go down and break structure for a wave C before it actually does end up continuing back up, maybe even head down to a lower Fibonacci retracement level. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, now this is what I mean by trading with the trend, because for me, I'm not really going to try to look for any shorts unless it breaks this level right here with some major momentum. Now, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. This is definitely an uptrend, I would say. To me, this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. Looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up. So it does seem like it's either a wave A or a wave 1, either a wave B or a wave 2, and we're either in a wave C or a wave 3. If it goes down to one of these two Fibonacci levels, makes like a double bottom with a break of structure, then we'll definitely call it a wave C, and we'll definitely go long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it really is a wave 3, then it likely will break this structure with some momentum. And if it does break that structure with some momentum, then that definitely will turn me into a seller at the end of the next pullback. Even though I still think that it probably is going to be a correction to the uptrend on the higher time frames, it would probably at least signify that we're in for a much larger correction before it actually does continue up. So pay attention to your Fibonacci levels, look for a possible end of a wave C. If not, if it breaks down, then definitely start looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.